Let's get back to Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures in Chicago. Oliver, what are your thoughts here when it comes to these livestock?
Well, as mentioned in the corn segment, and you referred to it as wishing your life away, waiting for these next reports to come out. That's
It's
what
true.
I think a lot of traders are doing here. We've got a big cattle on feed report tomorrow. We had a cold storage yesterday, but I think the cattle on feed report might carry a little bit more weight. And so we're seeing the live cattle and feeder cattle market tread mostly sideways for the better part of the last few weeks. I was a little nervous with yesterday's open, particularly in the live cattle market, where we sold off initially. There were some rumors that we got some 138 cash and then down to 137 cash trade in Texas. And I kind of spun that as a little bit of a silver lining. With the cattle on feed report looming, a lot of that cash trade might slow down, and you've got 137 crossing the wires, which is lower on the week. You've got bad news priced into the market, so you might be able to rebound a little bit. But we're coming up against that 100-day moving average, so a lot of technical resistance. That 100-day comes in about 137 for the June contract. We need to get a friendly report to get us out above there and achieve a technical breakout, and I think we can, if we can do that, we can get back into that 140 area. But again, as mentioned in the grain segment, just waiting to get this next report by us.
Yeah, it always feels like that, and I've said that for a long time because you never can. You're never at ease, right? You're kind of trading and worrying about what this next quote unquote big report's going to show, and then as soon as you get it, within 5 minutes, you're worried about the next big report, right? There's no rest for the weary, and also we've got a lot of things happening with the economy surrounding these products, and it'll be interesting to see how they handle maybe higher interest rates, right, or a slowdown in the economy. All those types of things, I think, ultimately can start to affect some of the things that we just talked about. So I really appreciate you coming on today. That's Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures. He's coming to us from Chicago.